Make sentences. Number 1. Like. I like to read books. I like to read books. Number 2. Tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal. Number 3. Call. I will call you later. I will call you later. Number 4. Ready. Get ready to go to school. Get ready to go to school. Number 5. Meet. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Number 6. School. I missed my school bus. I missed my school bus. Number 7. Go. I go to the office at 10 a.m. I go to the office at 10 a.m. Number 8. Early. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. Number 9. Wait. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Number 10. Meet. I will not meet you today. I will not meet you today. Angry. Angry. I am angry with you. I am angry with you. Wash. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Number 13. Sky. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Number 14. Window. Close the window. Close the window.